night. Lakad-lakad sa gabi dito sa North Korea. Wow, kagandahan dito sa South Korea, guys. Walang usok kasi halos lahat ng cars nila EV. Oh, we found is this the night market? Guy, night market. Yung short divisoria sa South Korea. Look at that. Linis. Yun yan sila kadisiplinado. Because they love their country. Guys, night market time. Mga food nila. Palit mo litos dia. Lagi-lagi. Lagi-lagi. Ayo, palit mo litos. Pwede mo supplyan na og litos. Lagi-lagi. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, look at their night market. Kaya pwede mo na ako supplyan lettuce, ma'am. Ito lang EGNT. Wow. What are they? Okay. Here. Wow. Skincare. Shining mask. Grabe, guys, oh. Ang linis. You know what? Magandaan dito sa Korea or mga Asia's country. Most or general sa Asia country kay they follow clean as you go, except Philippines. Oh, kita nyo.